swords as his weapons, he waged war on the page, fighting for sustenance with tooth and nail. He tried hard not to show you this, but he was trying to be a poet. At a graveside he pondered alone in the dirt, trying to find out the truth in the world. He tried hard not to let you see that lonely tear on the ground. He tried hard to discover where all this truth could be found. He tried to read prose just to keep up the pace. He looked for her loyalty on every page. He tried to remember her grace. He slept with the farmers on their untended land. He walked with the horses, he walked with the lambs. He tried not to sell you this, but it was all in your hand. Well, he tried once to kiss you, but that was not in your plan. He asked for your confidence with fountains for eyes. He said, all of the women I have loved have now died. You tried to imagine him with the world on his side. With your hands on his palm, then you told him his fate. You said, don't be hasty, it's best just to wait. If you tried to prevent it now, then your path will be changed. And you watched as he took out a new book of verse he had made. Well, he watched you undress in the cold winter light. You asked him to be gentle, you asked him to be kind. He said, of all of my lovers you are the most beautiful kind. He read to you softly as you fell asleep, drowned out by the noise from the bar underneath. And he whispered so gently now, but I will never be your poet. But I think I might try and see if I can be your man. Dreaming of the winter's coldest night, dreaming of the snow that greets the night as the birds refuse to fly. I'm dreaming of a chapter to begin, I'm dreaming of a poet's only friend, and the images to blend. I'm dreaming of the secrets we still carry, I'm dreaming of the hill where we were married, and the sunlight in your eyes. I'm dreaming of the words that made you shudder, I'm dreaming of the sentiments of others, and the city that we share, and the constant changing of your hair. And And in this broken silence, we might learn to misbehave. And we'll look over the ocean as we drive towards our graves. And in this moorland hideout, we will reconvene with friends. And we will never go empty or hungry again. Looking through the window of my life, wondering if you're still satisfied with the passages I write. I'm stealing glimpses through your open door, looking at the future we adore, and the poem it affords. My birthplace feels a million miles away. I'd rather be atop that hill someday, looking down on where life lay. The rest of this is left into your hands, a path that's always following a man to his perfect written plan. And I'll always cherish where it began. And in this broken silence, we might learn to misbehave. And we'll look over the ocean as we drive towards our graves. And in this moorland hideout, we will reconvene with friends. And we will never go empty or hungry again. And we will never go empty or hungry again. And we will never go empty or hungry again.